Welcome to our first lecture on business communication. This session will explore business communication and understand its critical role in driving organizational success. We will define business communication, discuss its various forms, and see how it impacts efficiency, collaboration, and decision making within a workplace. Define business communication and its importance. Understand how effective communication improves workplace efficiency. Explore the role of communication in collaboration and decision making. Business communication refers to the exchange of information in a personal context. It is vital to ensure tasks are completed efficiently, projects are delivered on time, and goals are met. This type of communication includes written, verbal, non-verbal, and digital forms such as emails, reports, presentations, and face-to-face discussions. Effective communication helps organizations operate smoothly and ensure everyone works towards the same goal. Imagine trying to complete a project without sharing updates. Tasks would be duplicated, deadlines missed, and the team would struggle to stay on track. Communication ensures that everyone is aligned and that work progresses efficiently. Communication is the glue that holds organizations together. It helps to enhance workplace efficiency. When messages are clear and direct, tasks are understood and completed accurately, reducing errors and confusion. Facilitate collaboration. Team members rely on communication to share ideas, feedback, and updates. Effective communication allows for smoother collaboration and problem solving. Improve decision making. Managers and leaders need clear, concise information to make informed decisions. Effective communication ensures that relevant data and ideas are shared on time, allowing for better decision making. Let's take an example. A marketing department at a growing company was tasked with launching a new product. Unfortunately, the team members did not communicate their progress effectively. Some didn't inform the project manager about delays, others did not request timely feedback, and critical information was not shared with all stakeholders. As a result, the product launch was delayed, damaging the company's reputation. The moral here is simple. Poor communication slows progress, while transparent and open channels help keep projects on track and everyone aligned with deadlines. Think of business communication like a river system. The main river represents the flow of information within an organization, while the smaller tributaries represent team communication. If one of these tributaries gets blocked, the system slows down, causing confusion and delays. Much like water in a river needs a clear path to flow, communication within an organization needs open channels to ensure the smooth exchange of information. Write a professional email to a hypothetical team providing an update on a project. Focus on being clear and concise while ensuring all critical information is communicated. Choose a real or fictional company and analyze how poor communication could negatively impact its success. Write a one-page summary outlining your findings. What communication challenges have you encountered and how did you solve them? Share an example where clear communication contributed to a successful outcome in a team setting. Business communication is essential for keeping an organization running smoothly. It is instrumental in improving efficiency, enhancing collaboration, and supporting decision making. Teams can easily fall into disarray without effective communication, leading to missed deadlines and poor performance. Whether through emails, meetings, or reports, business communication ensures that everyone works toward the same goals and that the projects are completed on time.